Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications, and on one of the pages you'll see the hotspot toggle. If it's not on the first one, somewhere here, swipe to the left and this will reveal additional page of toggles, and as you can see, hotspot for me is right over here. Now once you see this toggle, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to change things like, for instance, the password. So let's select right here, set up portable hotspot. Automatically it selects password, but we do need to tap on it once more to bring up a keyboard. Now the reason I recommend changing the password is because when you tap right over here, you will realize that the password is absolute gibberish, hard to remember, hard to type in, just because it's completely randomized. So easiest way, remove it. Set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Now that's the only thing that I recommend changing. The rest of the settings right here are preferential, though if you don't know what some of these settings do, I recommend keeping them in their default state. This will ensure that they will always function no matter what the device you try to connect with this hotspot with later on. So anyway, let's just save it by tapping on a check mark. And now whenever you want to enable your hotspot, find the toggle, tap on it, and you're good to go. So there we go. And one more thing, once you're done with the hotspot, make sure you turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. And I don't recall seeing any setting for turning it off automatically. So you'll need to keep in mind that it is enabled. And once you're done with it, simply turn it off by tapping on a toggle. Now anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.